everybody, welcome back to another Awesome Plays video. In today's video we're doing the Airshow Jet Transporter review. You see right here, yep, little jet transporter thing right there. Take a look at the back here. See, yep. Just like that. Let's see the transporter. See it. Take the main part away. And here's the plane. So it's like plane transporter. I think it's an Airshow plane. Yep. Let's get out here. See the wheels. And it's pretty cool. The transporter. Cockpit. Pilot. Airshow stickers. The lights. Yep. Take off. And right here, you can see these are for these are to lock the wheels in. Let's see all the lights on here. Truck. There's also some tools here, signal stuff. There's some random tools. The driver. The lights, special transport. See out here, since the plane's so long, they're gonna bring these out when the plane is being transported. Like that. It's about the size of the wingspan, so people don't see what like the wing. Yep, that is about to end for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.